Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Ms. Imrana here. We have already started our next chapter of personality development, that is Introduction to Stress. Today our topic is stress management. Objectives of today's lesson are that you would be able to describe techniques to manage stress. What is stress? We have already discussed it in our previous lessons that stress is a state of emotional disturbance which creates due to uncertain circumstances. Stress is a state of anxiety which creates due to intolerable incidents and unlimited responsibilities. Stress is a specific psychological and physiological reaction which creates due to uncertain circumstances and is dangerous for adjustment and satisfaction of motives. ABC strategy of stress management. A stands for awareness. Awareness of a cause of stress. What causes you stress? And how do you react to the stressor? B stands for balance. There is a fine line between positive and negative stress. How much can you cope with stress before it becomes negative? C stands for control. What can you do to help yourself control or combat the negative effects of stress? Stress management techniques. There are 3 ways to manage stress. Number 1, change your thinking. Number 2, change your behavior. Number 3, change your lifestyle. We'll discuss all these 3 one by one. Change your thinking. A person can change his thinking through reframing and positive thinking. How can reframe? Reframing is a technique to change the way a person looks at things in order to feel better about them. There are many ways to interpret a certain situation, so pick the one you like. For example, Ahmed comes late to school daily. The teacher snubs him for this. If Ahmed interprets his events in negative way, his feelings will also be negative. If he thinks that the teacher has snubbed him for his welfare, then his feelings will be positive. Reframing does not change external reality but helps you view things in different light and less stressfully. Challenge your beliefs and put it in the right perspective. Positive thinking. Forget powerlessness, dejection, despair, failure. Stress leaves us vulnerable to negative suggestions, so focus on positive points. Focus on your strengths. Seek out positive, make a change. Learn from the stress you are under. Look for opportunities. Change your behavior. Be assertive. Get organized. Organize your things. Make a proper plan. Have deep breaths, ventilation, humor, crack some nice jokes, diversion and distraction from the stressor. Change your lifestyle, have light diet, reduce or quit smoking or alcohol, do exercise regularly, have enough sleep, have leisure time for yourself, relaxation daily for at least 5 to 10 minutes self-talk. Strategies to reduce stress. Take control. Manage your time instead of letting it manage you. Use a to-do list. Follow a written plan. Set goals and follow through. Avoid procrastination. Don't put today's work for tomorrow. A major cause of stress. Make a realistic list of things you need to do each day. Do the most important things first. That way, even if you don't finish the list, you get the most important things done. Join the crowd. Even though you may think you are the only person in the world who is experiencing stress, the fact is that everyone experiences it sometime. Talk to someone, find someone you trust, discuss the problems and look for solutions. Sit comfortably and think of a favorite place. Imagine yourself in a successful situation. Breathe. Sit quietly and breathe deeply and slowly. Continue for 5 or 6 breaths. It is calming and the extra dose. It is calming and the extra dose of oxygen increases the brain thinking ability. Lighten up. Take responsibilities of your feelings. When you get angry, take a break and cool down before you act or react. Use it. A little stress is a good thing. Athletes use it to increase performance. If you are experiencing a small amount of anxiety, it can help to keep you active and alert. Use it to increase your performance. 3C strategy: control, commitment, challenge. Self control, commitment, and taking your problem as a challenge protect you from stress. Conclusion: you cannot control what happens to you, but you can control your attitude towards what happens to you, and in that, you will be mastering change rather than allowing it to master you. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Everyone is unique. Accept and respect their uniqueness. This is all for today's lesson. Thank you so much.